Hello, this is Ryan with Bolster, and in this short video, I will show you how to bring in or import a global assembly into one of your proposals. So from one of our proposals here, we want to click on Add Item, then click onto Browse Full Item Catalog. Here we want to then click onto the Bolster Legacy Catalog. If you do not have access to this, by all means, please reach out to your CSM in Bolster and they can make this accessible for you. In this page, we have over 500 different global assemblies that are free for you to use. From here, we click onto the ones we want. In this case, maybe it's a two-piece bathroom. We want to click it to make sure the check mark is enabled, and then in the top right-hand corner, add one to estimate. Now this is brought into our assembly. From here, we can go through a tutorial here, if needed, or we can skip it at this time. We can open this assembly by clicking the blue plus button, and it has many different sub-assemblies in here in this scenario, and then it goes into the items and we can edit them therein. Hopefully that helps. Thank you very much.